everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a peplum top from the Maurine Dress. You can also do this with the Carly as well. So you start with grabbing one of the inseams here on the side, pull it out, tuck. If you want to get all this extra fabric under there, wrap it around, and then grab from this side about where the seam is again, pull up, and kind of bunch it up in the middle there.
Walk closer so they can see.
So it's pretty flush with your body.
Perfect.
Once you have your little knot, you're going to take a hair tie and come underneath, trying not to lose your grip, making a little ball there and tying a hair tie around it so it secures it. And then it kind of makes like a little ruche there, and then you have a lot of fabric and it's frilly and fun. If you want to make it a little bit shorter, you can always take the extra fabric and kind of tuck it in. Then it kind of makes like a little like belt around.
Turn around. Cute. Cute.